Hello, my friends. Over the past few years, the teacher training program has grown into something truly special. The dedication and curiosity of the students has been both humbling and inspiring. It has grown into something deeply meaningful and personal, something that continues to deserve my time, presence, and care. That is why I've decided to pause new enrollments for the teacher training program until 2027. In the meantime, I will be supporting the current and incoming students, offering more hands-on guidance and helping them refine their skills as they begin to teach online on platforms like Rare Turtle. If you've been considering becoming a Qigong instructor, the enrollment is still open, but for just 2 more weeks. If you are ready and the timing is right, I will be honored to welcome you on this path. To apply for the program, please send me an email or visit xeniagray.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.